Today I'm going to introduce the installation method of the smart door lock. The first step is to install the magnetic plate. Firstly, this is a lock cylinder. Install the lock cylinder to the designated position. Then, install the magnetic plate. The magnetic plate is installed outside the door. This is the rubber strip of the magnetic plate. You need to install the rubber strip on the magnetic plate first. These are screws. Install the screws in the upper and lower positions on the back of the magnetic plate. After installation, pass the wire through the hole and fix the magnetic plate on the door. This is the back plate. There is also a rubber strip on the back plate. The side with the rubber strip faces the door and pass the wire through the hole. Then, install the screws in the upper and lower positions. This is a spindle. Insert the spindle with the clamp position facing outward into the spindle opening of the lock body. Then, install the wire on the plate. When you hear a click, the installation is completed. For safety and aesthetics, the excess wire needs to be hidden inside the door. Finally, align the holes and install. Push up the battery cover. Then, install the machine screw and the battery. And finally, install the battery cover. When you hear the start-up prompt tone, it means the installation is completed. Now, let's try it together. Rotating the knob inside the door can lock and double lock the door. Conversely, using the fingerprint can unlock the door.